Hey everybody, welcome back. If you've been following my landscaping videos in the last few episodes, you'll remember that I've been working on a static display in the back corner of my layout. Now I've been giving progress updates as we go along, so this is where we're at as of today. And I'm just going to kind of scan through here for you. Now you'll notice that there's no top on it at the moment. We'll cover that in this video as well. Now as we go through here, I've got my mountains done. This has 100 pine trees between here and here. I have over 120 deciduous trees between here, down here, back there, and over through here. Now, the portal itself is just a foam block that I cut out and then hand laid all of those little river rocks in there. Nice thing about river rocks, now you can buy them from a hobby shop in 4 and 5 ounce bags for about $6 a piece. Don't. I went to Lowe's here and bought a 20-pound bag for $8. They go a long way, guys. So now if you'll notice, my passenger coaches are lit up. So I have power to this track. I've also insulated the track right here so that there's no power to my locomotive. So that it's not sitting there in idle and burning up that motor. I'm going to have power on the track I put up here as well. And again, we'll cover that in a minute. So bear with me. Let me get that put in place and I'll show you our progress on that. Okay, so now we have the top back in place. And right now, the top is in its beginning stages. As you can see, I've got my road bed in place. I've started the undercoat paint, which I'm using an olive green for that. And you see where that white is in there, where the gap is? We're going to paint that as well and blend that in. But this top, I'm going to place a handle right down in here so that I can pick this up when I need to, because ultimately I'm going to have some four-way crossroads in here with operating traffic signals, some buildings and some other things going on that I'll need to be able to get underneath this for wiring and other purposes. That's what I've got for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to keep up to date on everything we do. Have a great day and God bless.